Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial I will show you how to turn yourself an action figure using the Remini app. Just open the app and go to AI filters, and then you will have to select an image you would like to work with. Continue and wait a little bit. And actually, after this, you will find many useful options to choose from, not only to turn yourself an action figure, but also some others. But if we go down a little bit, you can find this starter pack, and this is actually something like the action figures. So wait a little bit, and then you will become an action figure with all your equipment. I hope so. Yes. This is a country walk starter pack, actually, with trees in it. Very useful. Maybe a backpack could have been better, but you can always regenerate it and try it again. If you are satisfied though, you can download it by clicking here. That's basically it. I hope it helps.